Welcome to level 9 of 100 paradoxes. This one is called the Omnipotence Paradox, and it challenges the very idea of unlimited power. Imagine a being that is all-powerful, a being that can do anything. Now, here's the paradox. Can this being create a rock so heavy that it cannot lift it? Let's break it down. If the being can create such a rock, that means there is something it cannot do, lift the rock. But if it cannot create the rock, then there is also something it cannot do, create the rock in the first place. Either way, there is something it cannot do, which contradicts the definition of omnipotence. This paradox has been debated for centuries in philosophy, theology, and logic. It raises the question, what does it mean to be all-powerful? Some philosophers attempt to resolve the paradox in different ways. 1. Redefining omnipotence. Some argue that omnipotence doesn't mean the ability to do the logically impossible. Just as a square circle can't exist, an all-powerful being wouldn't need to create a rock it can't lift, because the question itself is nonsensical. 2. The self-limitation theory. Others argue that an omnipotent being could choose to limit its own power, meaning that creating such a rock is possible, but lifting it would be voluntarily impossible. The omnipotence paradox ties into deep questions about the nature of power, logic, and even the structure of reality. If true omnipotence creates contradictions, does that mean even power must obey logic? And if so, is logic itself more fundamental than power?